Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna get ready for a birthday party and it's my best friend's birthday, so I'm arranging a little bit of surprise for him. So I've just tied my hair, but oops, I think थोड़ी light कम हो रही है. अब ठीक है, better. Oh, I dropped something. So I've already prepped my face and now I'm using this Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Way Sculpting Concealer in the shade Sand. I am just gonna correct my dark circles and pigmentation with this since it's almost a match to my face. So here I'm just blending the concealer with this PAC 219 concealer brush. So I'm gonna dab the brush on all the areas where I've applied the concealer. Since it corrects my pigmentation very well, so I don't need a color corrector for the same because this shade actually cancels out my dark circle and I don't need much makeup today. Next I'm mixing these two foundation. मेरा थोड़ा सा आपको foundation अभी यहाँ पे light लगेगा because मैंने खुद ही light रखा था since मैं जो Huda का powder use करती हूँ in the banana bread. That's a little bit dark for me. So, and now I'm just using my Y6 brush from Morphe. It's the kabuki brush. It blends the foundation very well and very quickly actually without taking away all the coverage. And actually sometimes camera में ना foundation seems little bit light than in real. तो real में ये इतना light नहीं था जितना ज़्यादा लग रहा है. हाँ हल्का सा light ज़रूर था but इतना भी नहीं था जितना ये camera में लग रहा है. So yeah, we'll fix that. Now to take off the excess product, I'm using this Mars Wonder Blender. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं इसने मेरा काफ़ी excess product pick कर लिया है which I wanted to do. And now I'm just gonna go over my eyes and just dabbing it all over my face. Now I'm applying a lighter shade of concealer which is almond and I'm gonna apply light medium sand from Tarte Cosmetics as well. I'm keeping it a little bit light because of the same reason my powder is little bit dark for me. So I'm keeping the base light so that जब powder करें वो ज़्यादा dark ना हो. So now I'm just gonna blend my under eye highlighting with the Mars Wonder Blender again because I didn't have much time and I was rushing while doing the makeup. So जो हाथ में आया मैं बस वही करती गई. Otherwise I would have done it with my PAC 219 brush. Now I'm using this K Beauty's cream blush. It's in the shade Rosy Romance. I'm gonna apply it on my cheeks, nose and chin. First I always blend with my foundation brush. Then I always switch to blender so that बहुत ज़्यादा ना लगे blush face पे, थोड़ा subtle हो जाए. You guys can see how flushed and blended it looks. And next I'm using this Huda Beauty loose powder in the shade Banana Bread. इसी के बारे में मैं बता रही थी कि ये थोड़ा सा dark shade है मेरे लिए. Firstly I'm gonna blend the under eye creases. Under eye पे हमारी lines create हो जाती हैं because of fine lines. हमारा concealer जब fill हो जाता है उसमें. Just what I do is I just blend it with my concealer brush and then I apply my powder. तो इस तरीके से मेरी under eyes crease कभी भी नहीं करती. I'm just baking with my PAC Pizza Puff and Huda Beauty face powder. Always do this, it's fun to do that. Now I'm taking this rusty orangey brown shade from this Mars Fantasy 15 palette. So I switched to my Morphe palette. So I'm mixing couple of brown shades to achieve the look I want. Just putting brown, that's all. इससे थोड़ी सी आईज डिफाइन हो जाती हैं और ऐसा नहीं लगता मेरा फेस बिल्कुल फ्लैट है. इसलिए मैं कुछ नहीं लगाती तो मैं बस हल्का सा ब्राउन आई शेडो लगाती हूँ. एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई डिड. बस हल्का सा नॉर्मल सा नेचुरल था जस्ट टू क्लिक पिक्चर्स यू नो एंड दैट्स ऑल. उसके अलावा मेरा कोई पर्पस नहीं था मेकअप करने का बिकॉज आई हैड टू मेक अ व्लॉग फॉर माई फ्रेंड. So now I'm taking this multi-purpose fluffy powder brush from Mars again. And I'm just gonna dust off all the powder from my face like the baking which I've done. सारा powder face का इससे करूँगी but under eyes जो है I'll do with this Real Technique का brush. This is Real Technique tapered small powder or highlighter brush, I don't remember. So now I'm using the Wet n Wild Contour Duo to contour my face because it's looking very very flat. That I'm taking this BH Cosmetic का कोई एक ब्रश था मेरे पास. इट डजंट हैव एनी नंबर. इट्स अ वेरी डेंस्ड ब्रश तो ये काफ़ी प्रिसाइज एप्लीकेशन देता है. So next I'm using this Daily Forever 52's highlighter in the shade ILU002 as usual. So it's one of my favorite highlighters actually. Adding it on my cheekbone, brow bone, nose and cupid's bow and all the places which needs to be highlighted. Also the inner corners of my eyes. And next I'm just jumping onto the eyebrows. For that I'm using my old good Morphe palette. I'm just gonna fill in lightly while making an arc on my brow. And now I'm using this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which is my favorite mascara out of all there. एंड ये बहुत अच्छा वॉल्यूम देता है, बहुत अच्छा लेंथ देता है. जब से मैंने ये परचेज़ किया है उसके बाद से मैंने अपना फॉल्स लैशेस लगाने बिल्कुल ही बंद कर दिए हैं. एंड आई रियली लव दिस मस्कारा. आई एम यूजिंग दिस टू फेस्ड लिप इंजेक्शन लिप प्लम्पर बिकॉज मेरा हाफ लिप थोड़ा छोटा है, हाफ लिप थोड़ा बड़ा है, सो आई यूज़ अ लिप प्लम्पर एट टाइम्स. आज मेरा मन था तो मैंने यूज़ करा. And I'm just gonna apply on half of my lips. Tingles a little bit, but it's very, bearable. I'm mixing these two shades from Smashbox. One is Stepping Out and the other one is Recognition. And I'm gonna just apply both of them on my lips today. Because whenever I do makeup, Stepping Out seems a little bit dark on me. So I am just gonna apply Recognition over it. So yeah, this was the easy peasy look, and I hope you guys found this video helpful, and it would mean a lot to me if you can take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.